All right, let's jump right into something super useful today, something that I pretty much guarantee is going to come in handy: how to find your Facebook watch history.
You know the feeling, right? You're scrolling through your feed, you see this hilarious or maybe super inspiring video. You think, oh, I have to show this to my friend later. And then, just like that, poof, it's gone. Vanished into the endless scroll. So where on earth did it go?
Well, I've got some fantastic news for you. That video isn't gone forever. Nope, it's just tucked away, hidden in a part of your Facebook account you probably don't even know exists. See, Facebook keeps a really detailed record, and today we're going to show you exactly where to find it.
The best way to think about this is that Facebook basically keeps this secret digital diary of almost everything you do on the platform. And yeah, you guessed it, that diary includes a log of every single video you've ever stopped to watch.
So this digital diary is officially called the activity log. It's this huge archive of all your actions, and I mean all of them. We're talking every like, every comment, every single search, and the important one for us today, every single video. It's your entire Facebook history all in one spot.
So, the big question is, how do we get into this vault of information? Let's start with the platform most of us are using every day, the mobile app. We're going to walk through this together, step by step.
Okay, you can even grab your phone and follow along if you want. First things first, open up your Facebook app. Then, in the corner, tap on that little hamburger menu icon, you know, the three horizontal lines. Scroll down a bit and tap Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. Now you're going to scroll down again till you see the section called Your Facebook Information and tap on Activity Log. And here's the final magic step. Right there at the top, tap Videos Watched. And boom, you're in. Every video you've watched, right there in order.
Pretty simple on your phone, right? But what if you're on a laptop or a desktop? Don't worry, the process is just as straightforward. Actually, it might even be a little quicker. Let's take a look.
All right, so once you're on Facebook.com, just click on your profile picture up in the top right corner. From that menu that drops down, click Settings and Privacy, and then, you guessed it, Activity Log. That'll take you to a new page. And over on the menu on the left side, just find and click Videos You've Watched. And that's it, your complete video history, right there in front of you.
So, the main thing to remember here is that it doesn't matter what device you're on, your destination is always the activity log. You can see the two paths here side by side, and you'll notice the core steps are almost the same. Get to your settings, find that activity log, and then filter for your video history. You can think of this as your little cheat sheet. Okay, so now we know how to find this list. But let's talk for a second about why this is so cool. This goes way beyond just finding that one funny cat video you lost. Your watch history can actually tell you some pretty fascinating things. So, what does this history actually show you? Well, first, the obvious one, you can re-find awesome content to share or just watch again. But second, it gives you a direct peek behind the curtain at what the Facebook algorithm thinks you're into. And third, and this might be the most important part, it gives you the power to see and manage your personal digital footprint, that trail of data you're leaving behind. So, I'll leave you with this final thought. Your watch history is way more than just a list of links. It's a reflection of your interests, your curiosities, your moods, heck, probably even your late-night scrolling habits. So go take a look for yourself. What story does your watch history tell about you? Thanks for tuning in.
Infotech, I 460.